Hey guys, Greg here with Collectiv. Wanted to talk with you about another thing that I am very passionate about, and that is maintaining the single version of truth whenever we are dealing with reporting and data analytics inside of an organization. So my question to everyone watching this video right now is, how are you currently maintaining your single version of the truth, or are you struggling with maintaining that single version of the truth? As you guys all know, we are huge advocates of Power BI. Power BI does give individuals the ability to maintain that single version of the truth. However, it's all about process. It's all about governing your organization to go about the right way of keeping that single version of the truth. So it's one thing to actually say, hey, we validated our data sets. We know that every time I go and query against this data set or build a report off of this data set, we know that it's 100% accurate and correct. No one can question it. But how do you how do you maintain that single version of the truth moving forward? What do your processes look like? I'm curious to hear what everyone else is doing. We work with a lot of companies that do struggle with this, to where they've embarked on a Power BI journey, and it's a very powerful tool. It's a great tool for actually building reports. However, the problem is because it's so easy. We see that companies, just that single version of the truth turns into the wild west of reports, unfortunately. And I'm just kind of curious to see what kind of struggles, what you guys have found, useful to maintain that single version, or what your struggles currently are. At the end of the day, our opinion is it's all based upon process. So, and we govern that process through something called a Power BI Center of Excellence. And that Center of Excellence can actually broaden outside of the Power BI reporting into more of a data Center of Excellence for the data that actually is fueling your Power BI reports. But we'll get into that in a later series of videos. But I'm curious to hear, how are you guys maintaining your single version of the truth, or what are you wanting to do to maintain that single version of the truth? As always, please give me please let me hear what you guys are doing in the chat below. And yeah, curious to hear what's going on, and stay tuned for some more videos like this one, specifically around Power BI Center of Excellence.